Welcome to Sunrise Enterprises. Offer graphite products and CNC services. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in 2002 at Mumbai. Vast industry experience and good financial position make us different from others. Client-centric organization, ensure safe storage, and market-leading prices are the plus points of our organization. We offer a wide array of CNC milling, designing, and modeling services. Our graphite products and industrial graphite are best in the industry amongst others. We offer graphite's copper rod and graphite for aluminum industries that are in huge demand across the global markets. CNC milling, designing, and modeling services offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer graphite EDM electrode for automobile and crucibles for jewelry industry that are a class apart. We also provide graphite jigs for electronics that are available at industry-leading prices. To get more information, log on at www.sunrisegraphite.in.